Welcome to our Growth Garage Accelerator program. Are you an innovator? Are you an entrepreneur? Or do you have the ambition to scale your business? Then you have come to the right place. We realize that it is not always easy to get access to the latest material innovations or production technologies. And that is exactly why we founded Growth Garage. My name is Vorage. I'm the founder of Growth Garage, an initiative by Mitsubishi Chemical Advanced Materials. And we realized that if we want to meet the challenges of tomorrow, we have to nurture the visionaries of today. And that's actually why we are reaching out to you. Our team is ready and stand by to support you to realize your big idea. And it consists of multiple persons with different expertises in the field of materials, additive manufacturing, production technologies, market and business intelligence, digital marketing, funding, a lot of different expertises. And we are here to help you. How to get access to our ecosystem, how to get access to all of that. In principle, very simple. On this platform, we host engineering challenges in which you can participate for free. We have a jury panel with senior managers from the industry, a large variety of different expertises that support us in selecting the brightest and most innovative ideas. And our team commits to supporting the winners of these challenges worth of $25,000 of support to really put your idea in practice. So we hope to see your submission soon in one of our challenges, and our team is really looking forward and engaging with you and really supporting you to get this in practice. So looking forward to see you soon.